Hey guys, so what to do if you import mp4 I think other video formats to iMovie and then there is no audio? Quick fix. So what you need to do basically is just to click rename and then instead of mp4 just do this, change it to movie format and then you just click here use movie and that's that. After that, if you just import movie file to your iMovie software on Mac, it should have audio file. Another solution which I have found is when you just open this file via QuickTime. So here's QuickTime, and then you go to edit, then you go to trim, and then you just basically trim half of a second or something like that, or just super small amount, and then just trim and save it. And after that, just import new file into iMovie and it should have audio. So try these two ways, it should work.